Hey guys, it's Tori here. I'm here with Maddie today, our Provisions team lead. Today we're going to be talking about the Ginger Snap.
So let's go over how to make the gingerbread syrup. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of hot water. We'll do 1 cup of brown sugar. Yes. We're going to do 5 grams of molasses. And then we have about 3 grams of allspice and 2 grams of clove, which we're gonna steep in hot water for about like 5 to 10 minutes, strain the water out, and then we'll add to the syrup. And then we'll mix.
So we've shown you how to make the gingerbread syrup. Now we're gonna show you how to make the actual Ginger Snap Latte.
Okay, so we'll start off with 25 grams of the Library and Coach Fiery Ginger Syrup.
It's a heavy pour.
2 shots of vodka.
It's a lot, but it's good. Then we'll do about 20 grams of our gingerbread syrup, which is gonna be about like 2 pumps. And then we'll add in some cinnamon, our double shot of espresso, and now it's time for some milk. Ooh. And then we'll top it with some ground ginger. And that's how you make the newest addition to our winter menu, the Ginger Snap Latte.
Want to see more recipes? Let us know down below. How is it?
Delicious.
Wonder who made up the recipe.